So I went ahead and grabbed this from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take some toothpick and place it inside like that. And I'm going to do that all the way around it. And then I'm going to take a few flowers and just place it inside like that. And then pull it inside so it can attach into place. You could put some hot glue if you would like. So then I'm just going to go ahead and continue placing the flower until I'm done doing the whole thing around it. Then I took this glass, I'm going to place it on top. But before that, I'm going to put some hot glue and attach it to the top, just like that. Then after that, I'm gonna take these candle holders and I spray painted in gold. Then go ahead and put some hot glue on your candle, and then so you can attach it into place like that. Then once you do that, you're gonna go ahead and fill out your floral, like around it, all the way around. Just fill it up with any color that you're doing or whatever color you would like to do. Then after that, I'm going to take this down just to put like a little gold leaves inside there. This is optional, you don't have to do it if you don't like it. Then after that, this is how cute it turns out. Something so simple that you guys can do at home, and it will look super cute on your table decorations. You could do 2 color tones if you would like it as well too. Now for the next DIY, I'm going to do a little bit different, and I'm going to take the flower out. I'm going to take everything that I did on top, just take it out, and then I'm going to place inside 3 candle holders like that. So I'm going to do 3 instead of 1, and then I'm going to take my candle and place the hot glue on this one. Make sure to put enough hot glue on each candle, and then make sure to put it inside. Then just hold it down a little bit before you let it go so it get attached into place good. So you're going to continue doing that until you do all 3 candle holders like that. Then after that, after you do all 3 candle holders, you're going to go ahead and place the flowers all the way around. Just fill it up the same way we do the other one. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is so simple, you guys can do, and I think it's super cute and easy for you guys to do, and it's inexpensive as well. Something so simple like this you guys can do at home. Now for the next DIY, I did a little bit different. So I'm going to use 2 wine glass, the big one that they have in Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to take the phone and I'm going to place it at the bottom. Make sure to attach it with glue, and I'm going to do the same thing I did with the white flowers and just changing the colors to this color just to make it a little bit different. Then go ahead and put some hot glue and put another wine glass on top, just like that. And then after that, we're going to put the same. I did another one with just this different color. This is the same as the white one, just in this color. But before that, I decided to put a cute little light inside. So then just go ahead, place it inside. You can place it at the bottom if you want to be able to turn it off and on if it's for more day than one. Then go ahead and place that one on top, just like that. And you can always just attach it with hot glue to attach it into place. Then go ahead and take your light. You can also put 2 lights, one at the bottom, one at the top. I just decided to put one at the top. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. And it's so simple to do, and I think it looks so beautiful and elegant. So I'm going to take one of these little box from Dollar Tree, comes already like that in gold. I'm going to take some floral foam, put some hot glue, and then attach it to the middle like that. Just attach it into place. Then I grab one of these sticks. They have it in Walmart like for 74 cents, something like that. I spray painted in gold. You don't have to if you don't want to. Then just go ahead and put some hot glue all the way around it and also at the bottom. And then just place it inside the floral foam until you attach it into place like that. Then after that, I'm going to grab one of these floral foam, like a bowl. I made a hole like that, just place it inside to make a hole, and then put some hot glue, and this is just to attach it into place. So then put enough hot glue, and then you're gonna go ahead and place it on top like that until it attach into place. Then once you do that, I'm gonna take this moss, and they have this in Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and put some hot glue on top like that, and then I'm going to attach it to the floral foam like that. So you're just gonna go ahead and do this all the way around it. But one way that you guys can do it that is better to attach it is if you put the hot glue in the floral foam first and then put the moss on top, just so it can attach better into place. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab my flower and place it inside. Don't forget to use a toothpick to attach it into place as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and put a few flower all the way around it until I do the whole thing with different colors of the flowers. Then you can also use this white one. This one didn't have nothing to attach, but you can always attach it with hot glue or just put a toothpick on the side like that, and then just attach it inside into place, or just attach it with hot glue. It's up to you. Then I'm going to fill up my box with more moss on top like that inside. Just go ahead and fill it up all the way until you are done filling the whole thing out. Then after that, I'm just going to decorate it at the bottom as well. Just put a few little white branches, and I'm also going to put a few flowers on the side as well, just to make it extra cute. And then after that, I'm going to grab our balloons. You can grab any color you're doing. I'm going to grab this balloon stick, and I'm going to use the top of the balloon holder like that. I'm going to place my balloon and just attach it to the balloon holder like that, and then I'm going to place it inside to attach it into place. But the best way to do it, you guys, is just put some hot glue and then just put it through it, and then it will attach perfectly fine. Then I got this candle holder as well. I'm going to go ahead and put some hot glue around it, and I'm going to place it on top like that, and then go ahead and grab your candle and place it inside. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So cute, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do at home. I think it came out great. And the good thing about this one, you could do with different colors. So now let me just show you how the balloons, this is how the balloons turns out, which it came out so cute as well. This one you could do a different color balloons, and I think it will also looks great. And also you could change the color of the flower. It's up to you how you want to do. I'm just going to give you a different idea. You decide which one is your favorite. Okay guys, so I took one of these wine glasses. I'm going to do another DIY with it. And then I'm going to take my hot glue, and we're going to attach it the same way we did the other one. Just go ahead and place it on top and attach it into place. But this one we're going to do a little bit different. I'm going to put some hot glue on top, all the way around it. Once you put it, you're going to put one of these little round floral foam and place it on top. But first, you could also put one of these tea lights. You couldn't see it as much, but you decide if you want to do it or not. Then just go ahead and do the same process that I did and put hot glue and attach the floral foam on top. Then after that, you're going to go ahead and grab your flowers. I took a toothpick, put it inside my flower, and then I'm going to go ahead and place it in the floral foam like that. So I'm going to continue doing this, putting different colors of flowers all the way around it until you do the whole thing. And then I took this little glass they have in Dollar Tree as well, put some hot glue, and then attach it to the floral foam just like that, hold it into place. And then I put my candle inside. For these candle, it will be on top, so just press it. And then I got, for the next DIY, I'm going to grab one of these little wine glasses, a short version one. You could do any size that you would like. I just wanted to make it a little bit smaller. Then cut some floral foam into a little piece like that, so you could put it on top, put some hot glue, and then you're going to attach it to the glass like that. Then go ahead and do the same process, put flower all the way around it. Then after you do the whole thing all the way around it, I took one of this little small glass container, and then I'm going to place it on top, and then just put more flowers to the top. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is how the first DIY, which I think it came out so cute, and it's so simple. You don't have to spray paint. You can also spray paint it, but I'm just showing you this idea where you could just do it like this, and it's not that expensive. Now let me show you the smaller version, which is this one right here, which I think it came out super cute as well. You could put both of them together in the same table, so that's why I did it. And let me show you, that's how it turns out, which is, I think, super cute and super easy for you guys to do it. Now you can also do it in silver. You could color in gold, whatever color that you were doing. And this one, how it was turns out as well. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna grab one of these glass. I'm gonna put it upside down like that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab my hot glue and put some hot glue all the way around it. And then I'm gonna take the same round floral foam that I have with the flowers and just place it on top. Then I'm gonna take my other glass and place it on top as well. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is simple and easy for you guys to do. Now for the next DIY, I'm gonna take the glass out, and then I'm gonna put one of these candle holders repainted in gold. I'm gonna put some hot glue all the way around it, and then I'm gonna put the glass on top like that to attach it. And then I'm gonna take these two candle holder and place it side by side. You could do one or two, it's up to you. Another way that you guys can do it is this light. I just grabbed this light from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna turn it on. And if you're going to do this, you have to make sure that you do it the day of the birthday party, because you won't be able to turn it on and off the same day. Then go ahead and place your candle. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. This is how it looked with the two candles. And then this is how it looked with one candle. You decide which one you want to do, with a candle, two candle, and this one without the candle. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite.